yeah, proper. The GoPro Hero 7 Black. I've been previously recording in a 5 Black and a Hero 7 Silver, but I want all my batteries to match, and to me this is new. If I was to upgrade to the 9, I really don't see the profit in it. Plus I got to switch all my batteries. All my batteries are still good. GoPro makes a pretty good product that lasts a really long time. So I bought it on eBay. It says it's open box. We will have to see how open box it is. So far, it looks like I bought toner cartridge. That used to worry me when I was a kid, getting a package like that. I'm like, that's not what I ordered. Hopefully this one doesn't have a microphone that's been underwater. Open box, it should be brand new, and the first recording should be like 00001. But the one you're listening to me in now, I've taken underwater a few times, and I don't sound the best on it anymore. Oh, we're going even another box. Jeez. Nice packing. Very nicely packed, that's for sure. A+ for packing. If I could have done all this. Don't like doing unboxings where the thing's already out of the box. I like the struggle. Oh my god, he sealed it even. Get out of here. Finally. Oh my gosh, then he boxed it inside the box. Look at that. So it looks like a box that's been through hell, for sure. Let's bring you guys down. There we go. I like that that's glass. I've never had a brand new one, even though this is open box. I really like that that's glass. Not really, it's plastic, but plexiglass or whatever. So around the outside, nothing really on the side, just tells you what app to buy. On the side it says 12 megapixel. 4K 60 frames, 1080 240 frames, 33 feet under, voice activation, touchscreen, slow motion, GPS, HDR, hyper smooth, which hopefully it does better than the one I got, and live streaming, which is what I want too. It's got a cool little hook that goes through there. I didn't get the what holds it up, but same thing that was on the side. It's going to come with one battery, so if it's an open box, everything should be in here. Somebody just opened it, it was a display, and they put it back. But I'm figuring that these three things are missing, along with the case. To me, an open box still comes with all that. So, it looks like the top slides off, but he taped it on there. Amazing packaging. Just cutting the bottom off. Looks like it's been returned once before anyways. There's two types of tape on here. Okay, it looks like some of it may come out the bottom. Oh, it'll all come out the bottom. Look at that. Nothing's in there. So, let's see what's in the GoPro box. Nothing. Oh, does it have the battery? No, it has a hook and a charger. Maybe the battery's in the unit. Comes with the nice curved 3M stickered one. Oh, huge manual. Important note is safety. That's the safety instructions. I am not going over that with you guys. There's a quick start. Very simple stuff. Oh, so it's made for a helmet. Right out the door. Looks like the security thing was on the inside, so you'd have to do a lot to get it out. What's this? Have questions? Chat with our experts. No need to go to the store. Sure. Okay, so we opened the box. I actually felt like that was opening an iPhone box. That was kind of nice. So it's on a fake platform? Won't know until we get it out. There she is. Oh, the screen's on. Look at. I don't really care for GoPro's cases. Well, for the 7s and older, I actually like the one where this is cut out further and you can leave the door on it and take it on and off. That is the one I will be upgrading to. I like that. Does that come with me? Do I get to keep that? So I don't get that. I don't get to keep that. So that's the nice GoPro one. I think GoPros are the biggest pieces of junk fittings ever. I 3D print mine. They last a lot better. I always have these clips break even if you push them in real nice. And my 3D printed ones, I've never had bust once. Nice stuff as you can expect. That was just the went in there to keep this thing from moving when it was on the shelf. I just clean the lens off. Look at it real quick. Nice brand new lens. I keep with the 7s and older because you can remove this lens if you pull it out just a little bit. Pull it out just a little bit, twist it, and it comes right off. So when you're out and you accidentally drop it and crack it, you can fix it right there instead of having to send it in, because when I'm out doing shoots, I don't have time to send it in or have an extra camera. I hate GoPros. Things. They're so hard to get off. Ooh, it's harder than what I thought. There we go. That came right out. Doesn't feel like there's going to be a battery in it. Oh, there is a battery in it. The battery is in it. Let's see if it's an actual GoPro brand. GoPro brand. Let's see if there's a stamp on it because this thing's pretty old. 2019. 11/20/2019. Will it have any juice in it? Let's go over the overall look real quick first. SD card goes right in here. I'm going to put one in. I actually had one on the side ready to go in to do testing. This door I think has to stay on. Go around to the side. This is the nice door that can be removed. Right like that. Got your micro HDMI and your USB-C. A little watertight door. Goes down like that and shuts. See the door, the case that you guys are actually using right now, that's cut bigger. So the door actually opens. The only thing you lose is this button right here, but this button just holds dirt on the inside, so I don't really care for it. So, yeah, that's the case. That's just a standard case. Shouldn't have no problem there. Screen's nice. There's the LED on the side, power button, microphone, another microphone, and the function button. Speaker for output. Looks like there's a little light there. I haven't noticed that before. I like how that functions really nice. Let's see if it has any juice. Let's peel off this screen protector. Pretty cool. See if it has any juice left. No juice. So we'll charge that one. Oh, there's no battery in it. Whoops. See if it has any juice. Yeah, same outcome. Let's pull that out. Put in a battery I have just laying around, one of my extras, in case I go through them all. There it goes, comes right on. GoPro, going to do the initial setup, take a picture, see what the number is on the picture. English? Oh, it's going to want me to use my phone. Agree to the legal stuff. Turn on GPS, and now I'm going to need my phone, which I did not. Oh man, I'm getting old. I was not prepared for that. So I'm going to... Okay, so I came back. Couldn't find my phone for nothing. So I downloaded the app. The Quick app. Quilk. Whatever it is. Oh, there's no L. Sorry. Went and got me a charger just to make sure it doesn't air out. Put that brand new battery in there. There's no scratches on it or nothing. That's really nice. Let's see if it charges up on my GoPro charger. It should light up like a faint yellow. Just kicked it on. There we go. You guys can see that little yellow right there. Should turn green in about an hour, hour and a half. Let's go ahead and set this up all the way. Click on the GoPro app. Shut that off just for now. Alright. Said it found the camera that I'm using, but I'm adding a new one, so we're going to search. Even the cord says GoPro on it. The charge cable is a USB-C. Looks like it's about a foot long. We found a new GoPro Hero Black. Connect. And explore your GoPro. I don't know if you guys can see all this. Explore your GoPro. Tap the buttons on the screen to get to know your camera. Looks like it's formatted my card already. My battery's pretty good. I know how to use a GoPro, so I'm just looking at photos. Let's take a photo. I'm not going to quite go through all the settings because tons of people have already done this. Just doing an unboxing. That's a digital zoom, so really it's not even a zoom. That's alright. Keeps the camera nice and light. Time lapse. $4K. Okay, whatever it's talking about. Now it said on the back that it was 4K 60 frames. It won't let me click on 60 frames. 60 frames is supported at 2K and 144p. Here's the box. 4K 60 frames. Can you guys see that? 4K 60 frames. Where's it out on the back? It's somewhere else. It was on the side. 4K 60 frames. Can you see that? And now we're looking at the camera itself. The left side's 4K. Right side's how many frames it is. It will not do 60K or 60K. So let's drop it down to 2K, like it says 2K 60. Maybe it's because we got the aspect ratio wrong. There we go. 60. There we go. 60 frames. So you gotta have your aspect right, which it does 16:9 and 4:3. And what does it look like at 60? It changed it again. There we go. Looks beautiful. Just how GoPros always look. There we go. Unboxing, setup. Oh, I guess I could go over the front. Oh, quit that. It's very touchy. This one's touchy. Tells you on the front how much battery you got, how much time you got left on the SD card, how many photos you've taken, and what you're in. You almost gotta look at that straight on. If you look at the side, it kind of looks weird. So this will be my new GoPro I'm shooting with. Thanks for watching.